Finally, the day has come. It's Tuesday. I'm in the Challenger. We're taking the Challenger to two places.
Police reported ahead.
Police
Keep an eye out for Commissioner Gordon.
Thanks, Batman. We are going to get the mid-mufflers cut off the Challenger. Finally, I was supposed to get it done last week at a shop, and I've been trying to go to a certain shop because they get great reviews, and they were recommended, but I couldn't get in. They've been busy. Kudos to them. And they also were impacted by the Rona, so I couldn't get in there for 2 weeks due to that. But yeah, found another shop, called them. The review is online, or they're not many, but they're good. And when I called, I got a good vibe. I got a good sense of customer service when I call somebody, and so I'm headed over that way. If it's a good experience, probably share the information on them. But yeah, here we go. I think I'm about to get a green light. I'm not the first in line. Maybe we'll get a decent pull here. Guess you can hear it. So yeah, this transmission in this car is amazing. So eventually I'm gonna do a video. Perhaps you've already seen it. I don't know. I'm just recording stuff because I figured I need to start shooting more content because it's all in my head anyway. So yeah, hope y'all are doing well. Let's go get this puppy cut off, and hopefully we'll have a much I for real found my shop. So if y'all know me, I don't really like to take my cars to shops. I just like to do it myself so I can learn to do things. But Johnson Muffler and Auto Repair, which is funny because that is Mr. Johnson himself. I'm telling you, man, this is my kind of shop. 2 garage, 3 garage shop. Got a bunch of cars. They're also in the wrecker business. But this is why I came out here. Come look at this Z28. He's cracking me up. I was like, man, what year's that Camaro? 76, Z28. This thing's gorgeous. Look at the lines of this thing. Look at that hip line. Just look at it. Oh, God, I want this car. When did I turn into a muscle car person? Oh, you can't see that. Ooh-wee. That is awesome. Mr. Johnson's got it all. You guys got to come see this guy. Seriously, come see him. A lot of shops, they'll just take kits, order kits. This gentleman does it all, man. Like, look at this machine. Look at, watch this. So now he's about to set, make sure all of the tailpipes are even. I mean, come on, look at that attention to detail. Yeah, so check the description. I'll make sure that you guys have access to his contact. Of course, this is in North Atlanta, so very specific, but you get it.
Flowmaster, getting close to Holly, my Flowmaster. One pair of pants later.
Oh yeah, let's have 2 kids in a matter of a couple of years. If you have multiple kids under the age of 4, you get it. I've been trying to shoot this video like 4 times. It's the day after. There's a Challenger. There's a Jeep. There's another Jeep. Yeah, I got the muffler delete. This is the same video. What am I talking about? I'm just exhausted. It's been a good week. It's been a long week. But I haven't had a chance to actually truly enjoy this the way I wanted to. So I figured kids are taking a bath. I want to get a genuine cold start because it's been more than 24 hours since it's been turned over. Let's see.